Okay, we can remove that. I'm taking my knife. Okay, let's start. So we have the power supply, and let's look at the miner. Okay, it's kind of on the side. I'm gonna put the box away. Ta-da! Okay, here's the miner. No scratches, so I think it's a brand new one. There are some scratches here, but I think it's because of the packaging, and when they were manufacturing it, they just scratched it a little. But it's not a big deal. Okay, let's place it. Let me tell you some information about the miner. It's Z15 from Bitmain. It was released in June 2020, and the noise level is something around 72 decibels. The power consumption is 1510